What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel where it ain't no channel like the Tot T channel, because the Tot T channel gon' pop. Okay, so today's video we're gonna go on an apartment, like little apartment hunt or whatever. Let me tell you guys, searching for an apartment is so stressful because I really can like go out there and get like a $1,000 apartment, but I don't want to do that. I want to live comfortable, and I want to, you know, be able to save money because I'm only supposed to be at the apartment for a year, because what my plan is I want to move into a house. Right now I'm working on my credit, you know, getting everything situated, that way I can go ahead and move into a house after a year. But I am starting to look for an apartment, and you know, it's really been stressful because everything that I want, honestly, it's just not working out, because either it's a nice ass apartment for a very good price in a trash location, you know how that goes, or it's in a good location and it doesn't have everything that I want. So I gotta compromise somewhere, and you know, I just want to take you guys along with me. But yeah, so right now I'm actually on my way to go view an apartment, and I have my best friend, my broke best friend, in the back. Say hi. Say hi, big boy. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna just go ahead and stop by McDonald's so I can get me some water, because I didn't bring me any water. I got him some water. You see his bottle back there? I think he dropped it. No, I got it right here. Let me give him his water. But yeah, I have his water. I'm about to get me some water, and yeah, we're on our way, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, because if you're not subscribed to me, what are you doing? What are you doing with your life? But yeah, aren't these shades cute? They're my sister's shades. She let me borrow them because when I don't have any makeup on, I love to wear shades, because you know, that's just what I do. But yeah, let me go ahead and let's get on the road, guys, and I will see you guys when we get to the apartment. This is the kitchen. Everything is not updated. Like, I wanted an updated apartment. Look at these floors. It's not updated, and it's nice. All right, so I am so excited, you guys. I think I want to apply to these apartments because he showed me, well, I'm outdated. I was gonna say outdated. So the non-updated apartment looked really freaking good. Like, I was so like in shock because I really wanted an updated apartment. But he didn't have anyone to show me, so he showed me like just a regular apartment that they have. And to be honest, I would apply for the non-updated apartment because it just looks really good. It's spacious. It has a lot of room for my little baby to run around, and my husband likes it. So yeah, I think we're gonna apply here, you guys. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm about to go back home, and I'm gonna show Babe my video because he wasn't able to come with us because he's got a major hangover. It was his birthday, and yesterday we got lit. He took a lot of shots, and now he's not feeling it. But so yeah, I really enjoyed the apartments, and I think we're gonna go ahead and apply to them. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get back home.
1 week later.
So I am shopping for furniture today, and we are going to a place called Midwest Clearance Center where they have like all these really nice furniture pieces. So right now we're shopping for, you know, furniture, like I said, and I wanted to take you guys along with me because it's my first apartment and I'm just really excited. So I want to take you guys along with me. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you're new here, because if you're not, then what are you doing? What are you doing? Look at my baby, you guys. He's knocked out. My makeup came out so good today. So bomb. And y'all look, my eyelashes, they're extensions that I did them myself. Comment down below if you want a tutorial, because I will give you one, but I will come back on here when we get there. This looks good. Ooh, I like that. Dang, it's $6.99. I mean, it's $100 above our budget, but they took $100 off. My mom has that couch.
How is this one? How are they the same fucking price?
How are they the same price? I don't understand. This couch is way smaller. That one's bigger.
It looks used.
It's probably just the material. Oh, I like this. It looks really good. How much is it? 1,000? That's a lot for a couch. This is a nice couch. This is a nice couch too.
It's $269.
The table? How much is the couch though? That's $1,000, I think. And it swivels. What do you even? Look, there's more over there, I think.
Nah,
Is there more back there?
Couches.
Over there. So you guys, I actually wanted to come on here and just give you guys like a little update, because I just realized like the vlog ended kind of abruptly. So update, if you guys didn't watch the whole vlog, but I mean you made it this far, so you know that I got approved for the apartment, which is pretty exciting. And I started furniture shopping, and oh my god, oh, somebody else. So I started furniture shopping, as you guys can see in the vlog, and the couch that we wanted, they actually did not have in stock. So we had to put it on back order. So the thing about that is none of the couches we seen were what we wanted, and then some of them were too pricey for our budget. So what happened was we went ahead and did the back order. So we had to put like a $100 deposit, whatever. The only thing is that they don't know how soon or how late the couch will arrive. So the soonest it could arrive is September 4th, which is the day we're supposed to be moving. That's our move-in date. And the latest it could be is October. So for me, I didn't want to wait that long to get my couch, but that was a couch like I had seen online before I actually had went in store, and I honestly really wanted that couch, and so I was like, you know what, I will wait a month, you know, I will wait a month for the couch, basically, because it's the couch that I wanted. It's the couch that I went there to see. So that's where we are with that. I also went decor shopping. I didn't vlog that, but I do want to do like a little mini haul of my decor that I got so far. Let me know if you guys would want to see that. But yeah, so far we back ordered the couch, and we're waiting on that. Good thing though, he did say the deposit that we put down is refundable. So if we do decide, you know, we don't want to wait for the couch to get there and it's taking too long, we can go ahead and get our deposit back and buy something else. But right now, that's where we are. So we got approved for the apartment because we got the income, okay? Got approved for the apartment. We have started furniture shopping. We're waiting for the couch to arrive. So I feel like if it's the end of September and I don't get the couch, then I'm just gonna take my deposit back and find another couch. But hopefully it arrives before the end of September. That would make me very happy. Let me show you guys what we got so far for the decor. So hold on. So this is all the stuff that we have so far. Look at those cute clouds. Aren't they so cute? But yeah, go ahead, comment down below if you guys want me to do like a mini haul. But this is what we got so far. How cute is this for the kitchen? But I'm not gonna show you guys too much. All right, so that is what I have for you guys so far in this little, you know, apartment series vlog, whatever you want to call it. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Like I said, let me know if you guys want me to do like a little like haul on like the decor that I got for the apartment, and I will definitely get that posted for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel, okay? And I will see you guys in the next video.